Kevin Swaney here. Oof. Gonna be Groundhog Day in here. So thought I'd shoot a little video on how we machine these, so stay tuned. We're gonna show you how we get these done. Alright guys, these are our 2300 Holley air cleaner base plates. This is pretty much how we get them from the foundry. These ones are a tad rough. A lot of flash right there. So the machining process here is we got to do the top of that to get rid of that flash. We machine, I don't know, a little over ½ an inch down in here so that the unit will actually fit down on the carburetor. And then the last item we machine is the whole diameter on the outside to clean that edge up. Each process takes about, I don't know, 4.5 minutes. Like I said, this is how we get them from the foundry. Process number one, either shot blast them or sand blast them. Then we set them up on this fixture. Hold them down like that. So process number one is we're going to do the whole outside here, just this edge. Probably run a couple of them like that for you to see. We'll do a little time-lapse video, and then we'll cover process number two. All right, here we go. All right, guys, so step one complete. We got the outside perimeter machined. So we use the same basic fixture, but we have to strap the piece down with this piece of aluminum here with these two studs. So we'll get this one racked in here. Yeah, we'd probably do, I don't know, 50, 60 of these. Process one with the D washer on top. Then we switch over to this. So yep, put that on there. These little gaskets help hold that bad boy down. Doesn't have to be perfect. So yeah, what this is going to do, this process will mill this flat, this D-shaped area, and then a 3/8 end mill will come in here and mill down in here. Probably, like I said, about a good ½ inch, so we can fit these down on the carburetor. So yeah, we'll do 2 of these in a time lapse, and then we'll check in after that. Here we go. All right, guys, so that's it. There you can see that machined edge for it to fit down over the carbs. And here where we flat machined it, sits on the manifold like that, obviously. So, all right, guys, that's it. So I guess I've delayed doing these long enough. Time to put the camera away and get her done. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.